I want to show you something that we've been working on recently, some AI that we've brought into Join. Not AI for AI's sake, but actually to replace some existing workflows. And that's why we've brought in our AI assistant. Think of it like ChatGPT, but for Join. So let's have a look at how that might work in the app. So this AI assistant is built with some kind of early feedback from users. And one of the things that people said they wanted to see first was just be able to Join to query their whole database and pick out a particular headline figure. So an example, your client might send you across an email and say, oh, what were my sales figures for the group of companies across July, for instance. So we've built that in initially. And you can see here, look, Join will now say your sales figure, £15,000 across the group for the month of July. And then kind of building on this, obviously the report building aspect, we initially have kind of like a bare bones reporting creation. So we can go in and we can say, look, I want a P&L for July for the Join Limited group. But we're also going to build on it and actually kind of have the AI report generation within the reports themselves to augment that whole report building experience. And there we go, we've got kind of an outlined view of our P&L here for our company. And then another thing that we've been asked for, particularly from some of our accountancy clients, is to help kind of generate analysis or kind of draft emails as well. So I've put in an email prompt here for one of my clients, Martin, and it's just going to headline out some figures that I particularly want to present in. And there we've got kind of an initial email that I could then go and customize or just fire straight across to Martin as well. That's an initial look at our AI assistant. It's very early days and it's just being released across all of our users this week. But please let us know, try and break it, kind of come up with some questions and tell us where it should be going to help your workflows. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you.